Hello viewers, today in this video, now we will see how to connect HTML file to CSS file. So now I already created a HTML file I using Visual Studio software. Then I created a one HTML file, one CSS file, right? HTML file and CSS file. So now we will see how it's work. So this is a uh, empty website, blank website. So now we will see how to connect. So go to head. So inside you should use a link tag. So link tag, then href tag. So if you want to connect a CSS file, you should want a CSS file path. So go to cursor, right click and copy CSS file path, then go to HTML file, then here you paste CSS file path. Control V, so now you paste it. Then give a type. Type is text CSS. Then rel style sheet. Then close link tag. So now we'll see. Now before you should give a CSS background. So I want a body background green. So that's why I open a body tag. So background color indigo. So right. So CSS body background color is indigo color. So then now I refresh this page. See guys, now we have created a HTML file, super background. So then I will catch you on next interesting video. Until then, Ila Raja, tata, bye bye.